Beautiful. Thank you so much for taking the time to have a chat with us today. And congratulations on receiving your recent visa grant for your diploma leading to civil engineering at the UOW Wollongong campus. Very exciting. How are you feeling about this exciting news?
Just when I heard that news, I just very uh, um, happy because there are very tension in my mind, very stressful. Around 1 to 2 weeks, I left during sleepless night, and also I just endless prayer during that time in my uh, that 1 or 2 week, like around 13 to 15 days in uh, night. I just do prayer, and there are very stress in my mind because I heard that news. There are many applicants and good applicants are refuse their visa during the Bangladesh goes to level 3. So it's a very tension for me when I applied for my visa application, and then when I heard that news, I'm just crying, and with my mother, I just hug my mom and my younger brother to when I heard that news, and my mother also cry, and my younger brother just congratulates me, and their family member are call me, and um, some of my uncle and my aunt are came to my house, and they bring some sweets for me because
Oh,
it's a very joyful news for us. Like in Bangladeshi tradition, when I hear a good news, there are some people and my relatives and family friends are come to our house with sweets, and we celebrate us very happily.
oh, that's so cute. They must be very proud of you. That's so sweet. That's great. Well, could you tell us a little bit about the course that you'll be doing?
I was doing civil engineering, diploma in civil engineering in University of Wollongong, and with honors.
Beautiful. And could you tell us why you picked that program to study?
Yes, because I passed from a science background in my school and college, and then I choose to civil engineering program. So there are different types of program like mechanical engineering and architecture or some IT and computer engineering. But I choose civil engineering because my elder sister who reads in architecture in SAST. So I prefer that if I go to the civil engineering, when I came back Bangladesh, I and my elder sister uh, um, together opening a construction farm and a real estate business in Bangladesh. So that's why I take the civil engineering program in UOW.
So, yeah, that's such a great plan. I love that. That's very cool. And
Thank you.
can you tell us why you chose Wollongong as your study destination?
I choose study destination as Wollongong because it's a globally recognized university. I just search different types of university like Western Sydney University, Victoria University, but their ranking are below University of Wollongong because University of Wollongong it's around 160 ranking in QS World ranking. So that's why I choose, and they are there. And for engineering, UW are one of the best university in the world. So that's why I choose University of Wollongong, and their student supports and industrial works for engineering are great. So that's why I choose University of Wollongong.
Awesome. Very good choice. Awesome. And can you tell us a little bit about your journey with Tanvir and how his service was and the team here as well?
Yes, actually, Tanvir is are very disturbed about me because when I write my GS statement, detailed GS statement and SOP, he just around 13 to 14 times he rewrite for my GS because there are some mistakes and he just tends to about my visa because maximum types of applicants are refused for their GS statement because there are people who cannot explain why he comes to Australia and this university. But Tanvir Bhai was guide me very nicely and why I choose Australia. He just great. Uh, I want to say I just showed that Tanvir Bhai is a great counselor and he's a very nice, chill guy because anything like I can share with Tanvir Bhai because he just like my elder brother. So he just guide me very nicely. And Tanvir Bhai is a very chill guy for my visa application, and he was very cool.
Yeah, he's
And
the
his
best.
service was very nice because Tanvir Bhai, like he just my file open and he just access my file very nicely like my tax document my financial documents he handle with very nicely and he just choose university maximum types of university and he just guide me like these university are best for you and other things so during visa times he also helped me mentally he just tell me that your background and your profile are very good. So I think so your visa will be come very shortly. So Tanvir Bhai mentally support me during my visa processing time.
Oh, beautiful. That's great. And did Tanvir charge you any fees, any service fees, anything like that?
No, no, no. Tanvir Bhai was very good, and I just this journey will be very. This journey had very nice for me.
Yeah.
And I do not feel any suffocating with Tanvir.
That's great. So would you recommend this experience to other people?
Yes, there are maximum number of people knock me in my Facebook and Messenger and Instagram because there are maximum number of my friends and my family cousins are want to go Australia. So they asked me which counselor handle your visa application and after the full process. So I recommend Tanvir Bhai because he's a very great counselor uh, I have ever seen.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to have a talk with us today, and congratulations, and we wish you all the best on your journey in Australia.
Thank you, Amber.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amber, for your time and doing this short interview. And thank you, Sania, for your time also. And you've been with us for almost a year. It was a long journey, I believe. It was last year, February. It was almost a year actually.
Yes,
You
sir.
contacted us. So yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Just when I see these cases, it takes roughly 6, 8 months from the beginning, stage 1, 2, 3, 4, like sorting documents, preparing, and then statements, like especially the one you were talking about, and financial, of course, and everything. So it has to be neat and tidy and well presented, convincing, which you did. You didn't have any much of study gap or anything, and your case was very good. But as you know, recent changes in South Asia, the regional, the shift in global politics and unrest, that actually needed Australian federal government to level down some of the countries. They become a bit strict in terms of visa grant. So, which is very good that there is screening, and I that's why I was focusing on your statement that it has to be convincing. And your case is perfect because I know you will study and you will finish and you go back home and contribute to your community. So, yeah, so I wish you all the very best, and say hello to your family and parents, and prepare well, and hopefully you will meet other students at UOW, your predecessors, and some are about to finish halfway through maybe, and some of them will join very shortly in masters and bachelors. So again, I wish you all the very best, Saniat, and
Thank you.
yeah, and prepare for your. I think it's February, end of February, is it your class?
No, but I just take ticket around 14 to 15 February. I just
Okay.
there my flight.
So when
Now
is
I am going to
your
the cut off my ticket.
okay? When is your class? Like commence or start date?
Start date is March 2, but my orientation is 17 February.
Okay, so you still have enough time. Yeah. So you can get to know the the campus and the system there, and you need to follow. So thank you again, both of you, and I wish you all the very best again. And thank you, Amber, for your time again. I will speak to you soon. Okay, I'll conclude here.
Awesome. Thank
Thank you.
you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.